everybody. Welcome to the Compost Education Center's organic vegetable patch. The squash are looking a little bit yellow, so I've decided to top dress them with some super delicious worm castings, also known as worm poo. So all I'm going to do is pull the straw back like I already have and scatter the little goodies all around. There's some worms in there too. That'll be good for the garden.
So you don't need to worry about hurting your worms when you add the castings into your bed?
I have a very gentle touch.
Okay.
So I don't worry about it.
Cool.
And then I kind of scratch them in a little bit so that they don't just sit on the soil surface to desiccate in the hot heat we're having.
Mm-hmm.
And then I tuck them back in with the straw to keep them nice and moist.
Cool. What's that going to do for your squash?
Well, it's going to inoculate the soil with microorganisms that will make the nitrogen in the soil more available to the squash.
Okay.
And so I'm hoping that that will cause the plant to green up in a little while. And the worm castings will also have like a certain amount of nutrients and minerals from the food that we put in the worm bins. So those will get transferred into the soil and be a bit of a gentle fertilizer for the squash too.
Cool. Thanks, Alicia.